South Wales versus Queensland State of Origin drift event by Revolution Motorsport. They have brought out the Queensland Raceway in the drift park. We brought the AU beta. It's a bit slow, so we're in the Mustang. I'm feeling pretty good in the Mustang, so I'm gonna go out and let it rip and see what happens. But there is, it is basically, those of you who don't know, Queensland and New South Wales have a rugby match. That's basically two states versus each other once a year, and that's what we're doing, but drifting. So hold on, let's go.
tetanus shot.
Big YouTube guy here reporting because I haven't filmed anything. I versed Timmy. I technically beat him, but that's because he had a mechanical fault. So I'm going to take that win anyway as pure driving skill. But yes, so we have, of course, a lot of cars out here. A few oopsies and stuff has happened, but all in all, I've been parked up for a little while, but it's okay. It is what it is. The more I'm parked up means the less chance of me wrecking the car. So that's pretty good. There we've got a battle with Daniel and Travis. Drift cars, Mustang. Yeah, they're interesting laps. I'm not sure where I'm at with it. The car is so slippery, but he was on completely bald tyres.
I heard you for a split second coming around here.
Yeah. Me yelling. I know is Will decided to hit me. I haven't looked at the damage. Everyone else has looked at the damage. I haven't looked at the damage.
It's not bad.
Everyone is freaking out, and that's the...
Friendships are broken, you know? Out there on the tarmac. You got the sun setting, you got the QR people. Look at these people lining up just to see the final battle, alright? I got my man Nug. I got me man Nug. $5 on Nug, you got $0 on Hayden's fitting. Let's go. Hayden's just had to pull out of the race, and I tell you what, it's got 2 minutes to change that D-beater tyre or it's out. And I tell you what, this is tight. This is tight. The event was meant to finish half an hour ago, but this is still tight. That's all I got.
Like, nah, too hard.
So,
here we go.
wheels
Rip
are
his
on,
head off, no!
tyres are on. He's got tyres on.
Look, I think he dropped back a little bit there. Hayden was shallow as here, but I mean, Nug was a significant distance back. I say 7-3 Nug.
Yeah, so they're drifting, which is good. Just for a little bit, you know. Good driving. There's probably a fire, because there is smoke coming from the front of something.
And his car, when he pulled in before, had a bunch of smoke coming out from there.
Or revving the shit out of your car and turning off and getting to pits. Nothing like it.
That's it.